Hello and welcome everyone. Today we'll talk about the setting on how to use the ORX device. And now we'll show you guys the setting of the ORX. First, we'll turn on the main unit by pressing here. And then we have the option to use the speaker or not. So we click OK. And then here we have the main screen. We can see here first the program that we are using. And also we can see the detection frequency used over here, and this is the charging icon for the main unit and also for the coil. And also here we have the mineralization strength that we can see here in the ground level, and also here we have the ground balance we can see here, and also here we have the ground mineralization index that we can see here, the measurement. Now we will explain the buttons. First, we have this button to change the program. So we can change the program. So we have 4 programs that comes with the ORX. We have gold, fine gold, and we have for coins, coin fast, and for coin deep. And also we can add 2 programs that's extra that we can save our setting with it. So first, we'll explain now the buttons. So we have the button for the menu over here, and we have for the option, and also we can decrease and decrease the values from here, and we can also increase the ground effect correction, as we can see here from the bar. And also we have this button for the pinpointer, and if we press it once with the ground balance, so we can do the right ground balance with this button over here. And now we'll explain the programs. So first we have the gold, which is for low or average mineralization. So we can use it for good sensitivity to medium for large size gold. And also we have the program for the fine gold, where we use this option for heavy mineralization with good sensitivity to small and medium size gold. And also we have coin fast. Now with this program, it's for coins and all type of targets, good performance on mineralized or contaminated ground. And also we have here the coin deep. Now we can use it for coins and all type of targets, good performance on low mineralized ground. So now we'll go first to the option. So we have the programs. So we can add our preferred program, the 5th and the 6th one. And also here we have the option for the coils. So we can change the coils with the ORX. So any XP coil that we can connect it with a serial number here, with the 6 digits, we can add it directly. So we can add the digits, and it's going to connect directly to the coil. After that, we can here add the headset of the device. So simply by pressing down on the headphone for 3 seconds, and now it's going to be connected. And also we have the pinpointer, where we can also press for 8 seconds, and it will connect directly to the ORX. And here we have the options for the main unit. We have the language, so we can change the language, depends on which language that we want to use. So we have a lot of options. And also we have the speaker, where we choose to turn it on or off. And we have the backlight time, so we can set up a timer for the backlight. And the contrast, so if we're standing on the sun, we can increase the sharpness of the letters. And also we have this app that's supported from XP metal detectors, so you can download this app to save the location of your journey. And here we have if there's any update with the device, so we can update the device directly. And now we'll talk about the menu of the program 4, which is coin deep. So number 3 and number 4 have the same menu, which is the coin option. So here first we have the sensitivity. Now the sensitivity, we can increase it or decrease it, depends on the type of the soil that we are in. So the best option to keep it between 50 and 80, so we can have this device in the most stable condition. And also here we have the frequency, so we can increase or change the frequency. As we can see here, there's different frequencies. Now usually from 4 to 17 is large to medium size targets, kilohertz. And also we have the 30 kilohertz for medium to small targets, around that. And we have between 55 to 80 kilohertz for small to mini targets, which is the best option for gold nuggets. And also we can change the frequencies, or we can shift the frequency around that number. Depends on the targets that we're looking for. As we can see, we can change and shift the frequencies around that number, which was the 31 kilohertz. And now we'll go to the iron volume, and we have the option to mute the sound or to turn it on. And now we'll go to the reactivity. Now the reactivity is the setting that's responsible on how quickly it's to analyze the signal from detected targets, and also the ability to separate the signals from several targets located close together. So we have the option for 1, which is for large masses that's in the ground with a little iron contamination. And also we have number 2 is for general use. And also we have number 3 for difficult soils contaminated with iron, hot rocks, and etc. So the more we increase the reactivity, we have to increase recovery speed. So we can say that if we have a low reactivity, that means we'll penetrate the ground deeper, and if we have it on 3, that means it will separate more than the depth, so that we can use it in the mineralized soil or in contaminated area. And now we'll go to the discrimination. Now with this option, we can discriminate the option that we select. So if you choose, let's say 10, so it can discriminate, depends on the target ID that you want to reject. So let's say the first metals between 0 to 30, and also we have small gold nuggets between 35 to 45, and also we have the fine coins medium gold nuggets between 45 to 65, and also we have the bronze coins medium gold nuggets between 65 to 85. And also we have the big gold nuggets and the silver coins between 85 to 99. So the iron rejection, the best will be, I would say, between 0 to 35. And now we'll go back and we'll change the program to the first and the second, which we will see a slight difference. So we have the reactivity, the discrimination, the iron volume, threshold. Now the threshold is the fade background sound, so we can adjust it between 0 to 20. And also now we'll go to the difference. As we can see here, there's disc AAR, which is the iron amplitude rejection discrimination, which starts from 0 to 5, and also it applies only to the targets that produce strong signals, which we can call it shallow ferrous items. The IAR will not reject deeper targets, which may come across as a ferrous when they are buried in mineralized ground. This is also to ensure good targets are not rejected by mistake. So the gold nuggets that's buried deep in mineralized ground generate a similar target signature to a ferrous item. So in this case, it's better to reduce the level of the discrimination. And now we'll go back. We have here in the options for the main menu, we can hold on this button and we can have the salt option. Now we use this option on highly conductive soil, and the higher the bar graph is here, the more mineralized is the ground is. So we can sweep the coil over the ground for 10 seconds to evaluate the mineralization strength. And now we'll switch off the salt mode and we'll show you guys how to do the ground balance. So we're gonna pump the coil about 6 inches or 15 centimeters, and we're gonna put it back, and we're gonna follow these steps about 3 to 4 times. And we're gonna, while doing these steps on the ground with no iron that's in the ground, so we're gonna click on this once while pumping, so we can see the ground balance here. It will change, the value will change. So now we will follow it. So as you can see, now it's about 87. And also we can change and adjust manually the ground balance if we want. So we have the option for that, as we can see. And that was a detailed explanation on how to use the ORX setting. Detector Shop Company provided the best prices, free training and shipping to all countries, plus 5 years of warranty. To order the device or for more information, contact us.